Welcome back. So I bought what you see here is the package for it, a pearl oyster from Wish. It cost me 95 cents for the oyster, and it cost me $1 for shipping. It took about almost a month to get here. So we're gonna open it up. I already have opened the package, but I haven't opened the actual oyster. As you see here, it's a nice little pretty oyster. So let's see how well this thing works out. It's got little perforations here. This is a farmed oyster. So what they do to make sure it has pearls is at some point they will open this shell up while it's alive. They will put either a plain piece of sand in here to get a regular looking oyster, or they will add a little bit of dye to the sand, and then they will get an oyster of color. So that's how they can guarantee that there's going to be pearls in here. So let's open this up, and then they sealed it in this little package. Ew, it's kind of moist. I mean, who would have thought, being an oyster, right? So it's kind of cool. It's got a little crack right here. So let's break it open and see what we got inside here. Be careful you don't cut yourself, because this thing is sharp. I should probably wear gloves. But hey, look, there's a pearl. I seen it. As you can see here, the shell is really thin. It's like paper thin. And then you can see the actual oyster right here. I could use this for fishing bait. What am I doing here? I should save that, huh? Oh, look at that. There we go. Oh, wow. There's a lot of little oyster, or pearls, in there. Let me dump those out in my hand. Oh, there's still another one in there. I don't want to lose any. 2, 4, 6 pearls. We got to make sure it's all good. Look at it squirted. So we got 3 little regular looking ones. Got 2 pink ones and like a purpley black. I'm not sure how well the camera's picking that up, so I'll have to take a picture and upload it just to make sure on the video that you can see the pearls I got. So for $1.95 I got these pearls. So what I plan on doing is taking them somewhere, getting them checked, see what they're actually, if they're real, which they should be, but I want a verification, and then find out if they're actually worth anything. They're probably only worth a couple pennies, but you never know, you might get lucky, right? Who knows? I'm not expecting it. It's probably worth a couple cents, or they wouldn't have just sold it for 95 cents. Well, thank you for watching my video. If you could hit that like button, subscribe, leave a comment down below of what you think I should make out of these. I'm going to make a video in the future. I'm thinking about making maybe a set of earrings out of like these 2 pink ones right here, even though they're slightly different color, or maybe these 2 of these normal pearls. Make a set of earrings, or maybe make a ring. Leave a comment down below what you think I should make out of them, and then I'll make a video on it. And if your idea is what I picked, I'll give you a shout out. Thank you very much. Have a good day.